It's official. Windows 10 has reached its end of life. No more security updates. No more support. Your reliable old PC is now a target. But before you rush out to buy a new computer or get stuck with a system you can't trust, there's a better way. What if I told you that same laptop could be faster, more secure, and completely free? Today, we're ditching Windows for good and switching to the ultimate Windows 10 replacement, Linux Mint with the XFCE desktop environment. Windows 10 was great, but its time is up. You're faced with either paying for extended support, buying new hardware for Windows 11, or leaving your computer vulnerable. For millions of PCs, Windows 11's strict requirements, like TPM 2.0, are a dead end. But here's the secret those tech giants don't want you to know. Your hardware isn't the problem. It's the software. Linux Mint XFCE is the solution. It's built to breathe new life into existing machines without any licensing costs. So, what do you need to run it? The official minimums are incredibly low: a 1 GHz processor, just 1 to 2 GB of RAM, and 20 GB of disk space. But for a night and day difference from Windows 10, I recommend a dual-core processor and 4 GB of RAM. And the single biggest upgrade you can make for any computer is swapping an old hard drive for a solid-state drive, or SSD. This one change can make your system feel 5 to 8 times faster. Now, what about your favorite programs? The ones you use every day? Chances are, they're already here. Firefox and Chrome work perfectly. Spotify, Steam, Discord, Slack, they're all just a click away in the software manager. And for everything else, Linux Mint comes with a full-featured Office suite, LibreOffice, which can open and edit all your old Microsoft Office files. You won't be sacrificing your workflow, you'll be enhancing it. Windows 10's end of life isn't a crisis, it's an opportunity. An opportunity to take control, to make your computer feel new again, and to join a global community of users who value privacy, performance, and freedom. Linux Mint X is stable, secure, and surprisingly familiar. Download it for free, try it out, and see for yourself. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.